What happened?
Mama is always so busy doing her work. I want to gift her something this Holi.
You want to gift her something this Holi? Give her something, some clothes or some shoes.
But she already has everything.
Do you want to gift her something or do you want to make her feel special?
Both.
You want to make her feel special and give her something. Kabir, why don't you cook something for her this time?
But I'm afraid Holi is fire. But
Kids cannot use fire. Let's make fireless recipes and make some sweets for her.
yeah, it's a good idea.
I think we should make some ladoos and burfis for her without using fire.
Yes.
Are you up for it?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. Let's give it a try then.
Hello everybody, I'm Kabir Bajaj from the Stupid Lab and today we are going to do fireless cooking. Today we are going to make some ladoos and burfis for Holi.
And for that we just need 3 items. We need some powdered coconut, then we need some Milkmaid, and we can use some food colors to make these ladoos colorful. So to make these super tasty colorful coconut ladoos, Kabir, all you have to do is put all this coconut powder in the bowl. And now we need to add the Milkmaid in this powder. And now we have to mix. So Kabir, now the whole powder is mixed into the Milkmaid. अब हमें बनाने हैं इनके laddu. But we need to make these laddu colorful. So we need to add some food color. Green
And orange and yellow.
चलो ठीक है, let's make all 3. So we need 3 bowls, right? Okay. So let's divide the whole mixture into 3 parts. Who want to make green laddus? Okay, and then I am left with yellow laddus.
So now we all have chosen our colors. I have chosen to do green, Samar has chosen to do orange, and Didi has chosen to do yellow. And she's also wearing yellow today.
Okay, so let's add very little amount of food color. Let me do it, please, guys. Let me do it.
Okay.
Okay, so I add my yellow to it. Because Samar is the youngest kid, you can mix with this spoon. Mix the dough with the spoon and we're going to knit it with our hands. The dough is ready and it is pretty tight. Now it's laddu time. Let's make some laddus out of it. Okay, so we're done with one laddu. We're done with one laddu each. Okay, let's make a lot of laddu for Mama. Let's pour some coconut powder on the plate. Let's decorate these laddus
with coconut powder.
All we have to do is just make our laddu dance in this powder. So dance, laddus go dance. All our laddus are done. Arrange it beautifully in this clean plate. So we are done with the coconut laddus. Now we are going to make besan laddus. So to make besan laddus, we need roasted chickpeas, some ghee, some powdered sugar, and we need some elaichi. Okay, we'll have to grind them in a mixture. So here we have roasted chickpea powder. Can you please make powder of these 2 elaichis?
Okay. Powder?
Yeah, crush them.
Didi, now I made powder of the elaichi. But now how are we going to make the burfi?
It's very simple. All you have to do is put this chickpea powder in this bowl, please. And we need 1 whole bowl of sugar. Please, can you put this sugar in the bowl? Samar, please can you help me with putting this elaichi? So now we mix all the ingredients. It's time we add the
Whole bowl of ghee.
Oh my god, I think we should, add it gradually because we have to dough it. If it is not tight enough, we can add more ghee to it.
Yep, we need some more ghee.
And if it is way too loose, add some chickpea powder more to it.
Yeah. So now we made our dough and we are ready to make laddus.
Let's go. Wow, it smells so good now. So guys, we are almost done with all the ladoos, and I think I make very cute round ladoos, and Kabir has made very nice square and round and oval ladoos, and Summer has made stone-like ladoos.
So now our coconut laddus are done and our besan laddus are done.
But how about you taste it? Who dare to taste these?
Me.
Okay, well, which one do you want to taste?
I want to taste coconut.
Summer, which one do you want to try?
Right? Give me boy.
Now that all our Fireless recipes are done and the sweets look delicious, I think you should go take it to your mom. She's gonna love these Holi sweets.
But before that, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and my videos. Till that time, bye. See you in the next video.